And we'll start off with what I introduced you right in the beginning. This is a TRAQ by Titan, and it's a very interesting watch because by its very name, you know that it can track three kind of sports very, very well and do it continuously one after the other. Lots of other things. It's built really amazingly in terms of the way it's built. It's, you know, it's very, very robust, very solid. The glass is mineral glass, so again that way you can take it swimming obviously because of the very fact that it can track your swim. But even more important than that is some of the other things which almost no watch has.
What does a smartwatch mean to you? For most people, it's actually the tool to track their fitness regime. And since the year has just begun, it is safe to say that the majority of us have rekindled our ambition to work on our fitness levels. But most smartwatches track very basic fitness parameters. What if you want something more detailed, more solid, more robust? Most of those kind of smartwatches cost a bomb. Like Garmin Phoenix series that cost around $1 lakh. But Indian brand Titan took up that challenge and has introduced a fitness smartwatch that has all the features that the biggies have and then even beat them at it, and has also priced it at under 20,000 rupees. We are talking about TRAQ, the latest series of smartwatches launched by the brand. Today on the show, we are reviewing the top-of-the-line TRAQ Triathlon. Right off the start, we were impressed with the packaging of TRAQ Triathlon. The watch comes in this rugged-looking box which signifies what this smartwatch is made for. But it's not just the box that is sturdy. The smartwatch itself is very well built. The watch head is made of ABS plus 10% glass fiber, and the glass on top is nearly indestructible mineral glass. Also, don't worry if you are a swimmer, since this smartwatch is also water resistant up to 50 meters. The 1.34-inch transflective display on top makes it really easy to look at both indoors and outdoors under bright sunlight. The display, however, is not interactive and users can control the smartwatch only with the push buttons on board. But it's very intuitive and users will get accustomed to the controls in no time. It's time to lace up our boots and get to training with the TRAQ Triathlon. The latest smartwatch by Titan comes with multi-sports enabled mode. This unique feature allows Triathlon to switch between various sports modes that it comes with. This means that a user can start with swimming with the Triathlon strapped to their wrist and then can move on to cycling and running. All of these activities will be tracked in a continuous motion, making sure you can train without worrying about keeping a track of your data. These sports modes are combined with a very accurate heart rate monitor. This state-of-the-art sensor can track data in 5 zones, from warming up to maximum intensity workout. Another standout feature of the TRAQ Triathlon is its smartphone-free GPS tracking. Enabled by the MediaTek GPS chipset, the smartwatch is also ANT+ compatible, a sought-after feature that we usually see on wearables with a heavy price tag. ANT+ means TRAQ Triathlon can connect with the majority of equipment at your gym, making sure you can record your progress with yourself. Now, what is a smartwatch without its complementary app? Titan takes care of those concerns since TRAQ Triathlon is supported by its proprietary TRAQ app. Available for both iOS and Android devices, it provides comprehensive information and data on the various activities that the user has performed over time. There is a 290 mAh battery on offer, which in our testing gave a mileage of well over a week in single charge. Titan's latest smartwatch not only delivers on all its claims but turns out to be a more lucrative proposition with Titan's well-reputed warranty guidelines. At Rs 18,000, TRAQ Triathlon is very aggressively priced and can be a fitness buddy for not just professional athletes but fitness enthusiasts as well. Now, if that seems a bit much for your taste, don't worry. There is another TRAQ watch that is worthy of your wrist and time. TRAQ Cardio is the younger sibling of the two smartwatches, and as the name suggests, it is designed specifically to track cardio-based activities.